Hey you, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are one of my regular schmegulas, I know you were wondering, oh, what's going on? Is this a beauty channel? Is this a diary? Is this a journal? It is all of the above. But I am still a soft and pink on the inside. I'm still a girly girl, and I am still in love with the makeup. So yes, the makeup has been gone for a minute, but we are back with the jump off. I have some products that are new to me and kind of new on the scene that I wanted to try out, and I wanted you to hang out with me while I try them out. So we are going to explore the drugstore and some high-end. I don't know, is Fenty considered high-end? I guess so, yeah. Higher end products. So I have two Fenty concealers. I have the Hard Candy new Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation. Focus. There we go. I selected the darkest shade that I could find, which is Mocha. We know about shade ranges. We'll save that rant for another time. I also got the Fenty setting powders. I wasn't sure which one to get, so I got banana and one of the darker ones. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's new, right? Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So some Fenty, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so my face is pretty much primed and prepped. I am going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer water. Because I gave myself a peel today, and we're just going to lightly spray. Woo. That stinks. On my eyes, if you care, it is the Milani Gilded Desires palette, and I kept hemming. There we go. I kept hemming and hawing about this palette, and then finally Black Friday they had a sale, so I was like, let me just go ahead on and get it. So because I am a little shiny, a little dewy, I'm going to go into the Fenty powder, Pro Filter powder in hazelnut, and just put a little bit of that on my face to take some of the shine out. You've seen this by now, I'm sure. And it has a little FB for Fenty Beauty right there. And something that I learned from watching Andrea Renee here on YouTube, she said what she does is to get her powder and to keep it from being messy is to go like this and then flip it, and then there's some right there at the top for you. So I'm going to try that. Oh, not much came out, but just enough for me to lay down a little powder. So, I guess I can do a little bit of catch up on what's been going on with me. I have just been working my little butt off. I have new responsibilities at work, which means I have more people to answer to. And that has been a bit of a chore. Let me get a mirror. Okay. That's been a bit of a chore, but has been challenging all at the same time. Move this monitor back and put my mirror right here. So that's been, I'm still good? Okay. I want to block my light. That's been a bit of a challenge, but I'm not mad at it. Blessed to have a job. That's actually really nice, right? Other than like my little dark spots, this could be like a nice little brush on and go, right? Just color correct. Okay, I'm not mad at you, Fenty Hazelnut. I was wondering if I was going to have, which one of these I was going to have to take back. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the Hard Candy foundation. I like that it has this little doe foot, I guess, applicator. When Lulu told me about this, she said it kind of reminded her of the Makeup Forever Velvet Matte. So that would be what's up if it's a dupe for that. Okay, I feel like I'm putting on a lot. So let's get the blending. This is nice. I only did like a patch test on it before, but yeah, this coverage is what's up. Okay. Yes. Can you see that? Okay, Glamoflauge. Nice full coverage. Yes. Let's see how it does on this hyperpigmentation on the side of my mouth. But I mean, just a little bit. And on the, I'm agreeing with everything it says. So on the back it says, Hard Candy Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation is a oil-free, long-wearing, super smooth liquid makeup that lasts up to 16 hours, glides on effortlessly. Yes, it did. Leaving skin looking naturally flawless without caking, creasing, or fading for hours. Lightweight formula offers full coverage, yet feels lightweight and comfortable with added vitamin E. Available, here we go, available in a wide range of buildable shades. Okay. Well, I'm with you on the lightweight and smooth. Yeah. Okay. And it's got like a nice little, I think I still have a little bit of a dew to my skin. Okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. All right, let's go ahead and get into this Fenty. I think I'm going to use this hazelnut as my finishing powder. All right, so I got two colors. I got 390 and 410. So 390 is a bit yellow, which will give me brightness. So I'm just going to put that down. And then 410 is going to kind of neutralize it all for me. So I'm not too bright. All right, let's blend this baby in. Now the reviews on the Fenty have been mixed. Some say they have creasing, some say they don't. I didn't want to let it sit too long because of the foundation is really matte, so I didn't know if the concealer was gonna be super duper drying. But this little blend of these two shades are kind of giving me a nice even look. There's a little bit of brightness, which I'll take it. All right, well, let's see what this banana powder about. So that's a banana. So yeah, no. That's a no for me, dog. Yeah, it's caking up really bad. I don't know if you all can see that, but up close the cake is, oh, I got that in my eye. Oh my God. The cake is real. Oh no. I don't like that. Ooh. Okay. Maybe I do need to let it dry a little bit. So let's do this eye. We put $3.90 down first. Oh. And I have natural creasing underneath my eye. So yeah, I don't like that. And I just think everything should be smooth as my Too Faced Peach Perfect, which does not crease. It just melts into my skin so effortlessly. So I'm going to let this sit a little bit before I powder. How about that? All right, Riri. Your foundation already didn't work for me. But I do like the concealer without the powder. So look at this eye. Without the powder, it's not too bad. But with the powder, it is cake central. And it's like tacky. I don't know. I don't know. Oof. I don't like that. All right, so anyway, let's finish this up. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. I'm gonna use the hazelnut powder and powder the rest of my face. All right, let's add a little something. Go to Becca. This is Maui Nights. Let me actually use that as blush. Now that I wear blush, I just can't. My look is not complete without it. Thanks, Danny. Thanks, Lulu. All right, so now let's go into this hazelnut underneath the eye and see if that works better. Now that I've let it dry a little bit. Come on out. Okay, if nothing else, you don't have to worry about a big mess with the powders. All right. I don't like it. I do like the concealer. I just don't like, it doesn't, to me it doesn't work well. Setting powder does not work well together on my skin anyway. All right, guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, I struggled with these setting powders and this concealer. The concealer on its own, I love the coverage. I think maybe I might have been a little too heavy-handed with it, because if you look at the applicator, you get a lot of product on the applicator, just pulling it right out of the tube. So I am going to take full responsibility for the struggles that I faced, because I'm a concealer girl. So I'm a little heavy-handed with my concealer. So I'm thinking maybe that was the problem. So I'm going to give this another go. If I still struggle with the cakiness and the tackiness of the powder adhering to the concealer, then I'm gonna take it back. But I am in love with this Hard Candy concealer, Hard Candy foundation. I think it truly is a dupe for the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. Like, I think my skin looks really, really good. I will say that I really, really enjoy this Fenty powder in hazelnut as a finishing powder. My skin looks really nice and matte, but not too matte where it's like drying and caking. The banana, I have enough yellow powders. I'm probably going to take it back. But this was just the first impression. And, I mean, okay. So we shall see at the next go round. But I needed to put some makeup on. I needed to see your face, or needed you to see my face. And I hope I get to see your face down in the comment section. Please hit that subscribe button on your way out. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. Go forth and slay. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.